An XRP community commentator has attempted to make sense of XRP's downward pressure despite massive bullish developments. For context, in the face of multiple bullish developments surrounding XRP, the price has failed to react favorably. Particularly, XRP is still reflecting the direction of the broader crypto market. The market has come under bearish pressure due to macroeconomic uncertainties. Amid this discouraging price action, a prominent community commentator presented an explanation. The pseudonymous pundit, known as 589 Bull, argues that XRP's downtrend is not an accident. Rather, he suggests it is part of a strategy to shake out early investors before full institutional adoption emerges. Price is not the truth, but the trap. According to 589 Bull, the issue is that retail investors focus on price when the price itself is misleading. He insists price is the trap, not the truth. To explain this, the pundit suggested that XRP's current market performance does not accurately reflect its value, not because it lacks fundamental strength, but because the true developments are happening behind the scenes and are not meant to benefit the public just yet. He argued that while investors focus on red candles, the real foundation is setting up as institutions introduce futures, assign international ISINs, welcome banks to distributed ledger technology, DLT corridors, and quietly draft ETF filings. He paints this move as a game of perception, where fear dominates public sentiment just as the real financial infrastructure is setting up. In his words, the narrative that XRP is failing is the lie, while the truth is that XRP is securing a large spot in the next generation global financial system. However, according to him, the on-ramp is not for everyday holders. As such, 589 Bull warns that those who chase hype or flinch at volatility may miss out. Essentially, he suggested that the real trick is surviving the manipulation long enough to benefit when the truth emerges. XRP price struggles. At Tudo notably, this commentary comes as XRP battles to a concerning stretch of market performance. Despite what many describe as one of the most bullish environments in history, the token has failed to mount a meaningful recovery. XRP collapsed nearly 32% across February and March 2025, and is already down 0.24% in April, with just a week left. If the downtrend holds, it will mark XRP's first 3-month losing streak since the 2022 crypto bear market. Currently trading at $2.08, XRP has held above the critical $2 support level, but many expected far more, given the flurry of positive developments surrounding the ecosystem. Bullish XRP fundamentals. Among those developments is the growing institutional interest in XRP-focused financial products. Asset management giants such as Franklin Templeton, Bitwise, and Canary Capital have made progress toward launching spot XRP ETFs in the United States. Furthermore, the market recently welcomed a leveraged XRP ETF, which delivered a strong performance on its debut. This is a testament to growing confidence in XRP as an institutional-grade asset. Meanwhile, Ripple has also made headlines with major corporate moves. Most notably, the firm recently acquired prime brokerage company Hidden Road in a $1.3 billion deal. Additionally, the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC appears to be approaching a conclusion. Specifically, both parties have agreed to drop their appeals. Taken together, these events show growing maturity and adoption. However, they have not translated into upward momentum for XRP's price. Nonetheless, for community commentators like 589 Bull, that disconnect is not a flaw in the market. It's the design.